how to make money online using WhatsApp. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Belchior Pinto, and in this particular video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online using WhatsApp. Now the question is, why this method? How I can do that? How it's possible? How I can have many numbers? I don't have many friends on WhatsApp. Guys, relax, enjoy this video and let's do it. You need a cell phone, and also you need internet connection. That's all you need right now. So the first thing what you have to do, right, is to install the WhatsApp app on your cell phone, which is pretty easy. You go to the Play Store, you download the app and install it in your computer, on your cell phone. After that, please go through the process so that your app needs to work correctly. If you don't do that, the first step, other steps will just be in vain. Please download the app because it's very important that you do that. So the second thing you have to do now to make money doing that is you go to you need to have a product to promote, right? If you don't have a product to promote, of course you can use ClickBank, which is pretty easy. Select the product that you want. If you don't know how to use ClickBank, please, one of my videos on my channel, you will see that I talk a little bit about it, and you can also see that video. You select the product that you want to promote. For instance, I select this one, right? I have already the link copied somewhere else, and promote. Just click promote. Just show you right now, right? And generate the link, and you copy this link. Okay, this is the link that you're gonna use when you want to promote this product to other groups. Now, how you can find people that you can promote this group, or you can show them the product that you are promoting? The first way is using Google. You need to watch the entire video to know exactly which one is better, and I believe that the last one will be way better for you guys. So for instance, I select the niche that I want to promote to fitness WhatsApp group, and then when you do that, you select Google search, and you will see Google is going to show you a lot of groups. So after that, you go to the second or third tab, the Google search results, because it's way better. Those one who are present, like in the first search results, it's difficult because most of them are already full. You know, they have already 257, I believe so. This is the max limit of each group on WhatsApp. Or if you go, for instance, on the other tabs, you will see that all these groups are a little bit more like empty. So for instance, I have this tab right here opened. You can just this is all the groups that I'm showing you right now. Just for example, you click on this link, and then you can join all these groups, and you can just join. This is the method number one. The another method is by using Facebook. Go to Facebook and write down, for instance, the niche that you want, or just write down WhatsApp group. This one is the second method, and you start joining a lot of groups on WhatsApp. I mean on Facebook about WhatsApp, right? Join these groups, and after that you will be accepted, or maybe not, it depends, but you need to join many groups so that you can be increase the odds to be accepted. Guys, I think that you forgot something. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss another video. Let's continue. I'm trying to join many other groups as well in different niches so that I can increase many more my range. So after that, as you can see, this is one of the groups that I'm already in right now. They start like posting message like I'm creating a group on this niche, I'm creating a group on about babes, about many other things. Please don't join groups about babes. I mean, if you want to, unless you want to see naked girls. But you want to make money on this method. What you're gonna see is here. If you don't see anybody creating groups about it, what you have to do is go to this group and type here like, hey guys, I want to create a group about make money online about fitness. If you are into fitness, please join. Put your number below, and I will invite you to this group, right? That's way better. Okay, any niche that you want to select. Of course, there are many people here on any other niche that you want. So this is the second method. Now the third method is also by using Facebook. Now this one is a little bit different. Why is different? Because this one, you first of all go to the group that is already in that specific niche that you want to be part of, or you are part of already. For instance, I'm part of many groups about Instagram. I can go to Instagram Marketing Secrets, and if you are not on those groups, again, just join. It's easy on Facebook. Let's open this one, Instagram Marketing Secrets. As you can see, I have this tab already opened. Hello guys, I'm creating a new WhatsApp group, and I want you. Let's say I would like something like that. Let's say I would like you to join this group right now. Please leave your number below or send it to me, or just DM me, right? And then you post. After that, some people gonna send you their number. When you get their number, invite them to your group that you created on WhatsApp. And when you create your group on WhatsApp, now you are the admin. You can promote more and more and more and more products. Let me show you one of just example right here. Way easier. Now the best one, as you can see, is by going first of all to groups already that are on the niche that you want to be like promote. Okay, believe me, those groups, you don't have like the permission just to post anything that you want. But if you create your own group on WhatsApp and just invite them, it will be much better and much easier. So as you can see, I have many groups right here, and for instance, I can say okay, I have many groups, some few groups. Just for example, this is my other number. I can go to this group and type, if you want to make money, see this page or watch this video, or whatever you want to promote. Watch, my God, I can't watch it. Okay, watch this video, okay, and then put your link and just send to many groups. You have to join many groups. Remember, it needs to be many groups, because WhatsApp only gives you the power to add 257. But WhatsApp it's powerful, believe me. It's more powerful than email marketing, guys. So subscribe, hit the bell notification, and hasta la vista.